If you have wood furniture, you're eventually going to get scratches, watermarks, and all sorts of stuff that's going to really leave an impression on your surface. This was actually scratched way over here. I put on some Butcher Block conditioner and it's absolutely amazing how well this is done. I'm going to show you, just take a dry, this is a washcloth, and just squirt some on the actual table. Not too much, just a couple drops, and then just wipe the surface. Keep rubbing it in, nice circular pattern. So it doesn't take much, and just let it sit for a while. If for some reason it's got a little bit of residue and you're not liking that, just take a regular paper towel, fold it up, and just lightly, almost like you're using steel wool, lightly go over, and that will take up any extra moisture that's on the table. And that will conceal and protect the wood from that point on. This damage is even worse. Somebody spilled something and got it on the table. We tried to wipe it up as fast as possible, and it just damaged the finish a little bit. Again, dabs of this, unsponsored. Only takes a couple drops. Get your washcloth out. Circular motion. You can use this as a protective finish on all your wood. It's pretty safe, bio-friendly, all that stuff. So you can use gloves if you want, or no gloves. That's how safe it is. And if for some reason you think it needs a little more work, let it go for a little bit, add a couple more drops, and then do a second coating. Or third, depending on really how bad it is. So it's much better than it was. There's a couple little spots I might have to hit again. But for the most part, 30 seconds of Howard's Butcher Block conditioner and you've totally recovered from a bad spill. Just a quick helpful tip on how to preserve, protect, and repair your wood surfaces. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of home repairs, furniture repairs, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props, check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what solution you're going to see.